Ooh, the spooks are up there. Look at the mess. Shit. The place is completely gutted. There's even things growing in it now. Look at the state of it. Look. There's the way I'll go down. Look at the fucking roof. Look up into there even. There's your big punt, Aaron. Look, this is where the skylight has been leaking. You know, the big thing that goes up and you can see out of it. You see in here. I don't want to be in here long because there's probably black mould. Just curious before it gets knocked down. I'm not going out of them old bits, they're scary looking. One Charlie. All the light is coming from that bit up there. It's lighting the whole place up. Fuck, this is... I don't want to be in here very long, it's stinking. Look at that. Fuck's sake. Mess. Maybe we see what's in this one. Look, there's always bits of Christmas stuff. Somebody said a Ben and Jerry's. On this way, Charlie. Oh, I got this now, nosy. All this, the copper pipe and stuff's all been ripped out. Toilet brush. Chair. Look at the mould and the damp. It's minging. Where does this one go? Oh, another set of stairs. We'll go down these ones then. See where they go. Come on, Charles. Careful. Big spider's way up there. Aye. Oh, that's a fire door. We can't go that way. We have to get back up. Fuck that. We have to go to them other set of stairs. I'm trapped in here. That was hairy stuff there. Oh. Come on, Charlie, we find these other set of stairs. It's stinking. You want to go dump? Where the fuck is these stairs at? There. We'll go this way, Charlie. Fuck. These ones don't feel too safe, many. They're kind of buckled. Or damp. Turn back. Fuck's sake, it's a bit late now. Right, let's see. The state of it. Go see the big fireplace there is. bit of soot has come off the fireplace. Look at this, the stuff that's dripping there. What the fuck's that? Is that stalactites? Wait a minute, let's see. Hold on. What the fuck is that? It is, because I felt water dripping there. Come on, Charlie, we get away. Not go near that story. Look. See the way they're all dripping there. Jesus. I remember being in here years ago, a long time ago, with work, when I worked for Department of Agriculture and Rural Development. And we came in here for a meal and a meeting. We had just had a buffet meal. We'll go this way, Charlie. Every fucking bit of it's wrecked. My goodness. There's shelves in there. Where's this go? Wait a minute. Anyway, I knows it. We're now toilet bits. I'm not going near that. It's stinking. Bogging. The state of it. This place will just be flattened. Won't it, Charlie? And that's me out to a bit of fresh air. Catch you later.